Okay, we're going to proceed to adding and subtracting similar rational algebraic expressions. But what do you mean by similar rational algebraic expressions? Okay. So when you say similar rational algebraic expressions, meaning they have the same denominator. Okay, say for example, A over B plus C over B. As you can see, they have the same denominator, which is B. So in this case, you will just add directly the numerator. So you have A plus C over, just copy their denominator, B. And B must not equal to 0, or else you could get undefined if the denominator is 0. So that is how to add similar rational algebraic expressions. Okay, let's have examples. You have your 1/2 plus 3 over 2. So in this case, class, you will just add directly the numerator and denominator. I mean both the numerators. So 1 plus 3, and then copy the denominator, which is 2. So 1 plus 3, that is 4 over 2. Then simplify. 4 over 2, that is 2. Okay. Another example. X squared minus 2x minus 7 all over x squared minus 9 plus 3x plus 1 over x squared minus 9. See, at this case, class, as you can see, they have the same denominator also, the two RAAs, which is x squared minus 9. So the same thing, you just add the numerator directly. So that becomes x squared. Okay, since there is no similar term with x squared, so proceed to next. Minus 2x, then add the other rational algebraic expression, which is the similar term for negative 2x, which is 3x. Next, minus 7, then added by 1, similar term of negative 7, over, just copy the denominator, which is x squared minus 9. And then you simplify. So you have x squared, negative 2x plus 3x, that is x. Negative 7 plus 1, that is negative 6. Over x squared minus 9. Okay, notice, class, the numerator x squared plus x minus 6 still factorable. So that is factoring general trinomial. So when you factor that, that becomes factor x squared. So 2x. Then a negative 6, so that you could get negative x as the middle term. So that could be positive 3 and negative 2. Since you could get here positive x. And also the denominator x squared minus 9. That is difference of two squares. Very obvious. The factors are x plus 3 and x minus 3. And then you simplify. You factor out, or you cancel out common binomial factors, which is x plus 3. Okay. So that means to say the final answer is x minus 2 over x minus 3. Okay. Let's have another example. Okay. So you have here x squared plus 5x minus 20 all over 3x squared plus x minus 2 minus negative 10 minus 6x minus 5x squared all over 3x squared plus x minus 2. So as you can see, they have the same denominator, which is 3x squared plus x minus 2. So definitely we're going to subtract directly the numerator. Okay, subtract the like terms. First, x squared minus its like term is negative 5x squared. So my negative 5x squared. And then plus 5x. And then like terms at the other side. At the other RAE, negative minus negative 6x. And then minus 20. Then minus like term, which is negative 10. Then copy the denominator, which is 3x squared plus x minus 2. Okay, simplify. X squared minus negative 5x squared is 6x squared. And then 5x minus negative 6x is 11x. Negative 20 minus negative 10, that is negative 10 over 3x squared plus x minus 2. But class, remember to simplify your answer. Okay. Since numerator and denominator are still factorable, so you could factor them. So, first, look for their GCMF, 6x squared plus 11x minus 10. There is no GCMF, so since that is trinomial, so you could have factoring trinomial. So, of course, we are expecting 2 binomial factors. Okay, this is tricky since 6x squared, there are many factors for 6x squared partnered with negative 10. But if you do trial and error class, you come up with these factors, 3x and then 2x. And then look for negative 10 so that you could get 11x. So you could have 5 and negative 2. If we're going to check it, negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x. And then 3x times 5x is 15x. So 15x plus negative 4x, that is negative 11x. So we get the middle term. Okay, denominator 3x squared plus x minus 2. Okay, still there is no GCMF, so proceed to factoring general trinomial. Expected, we have 2 binomial factors. So start with 3x squared. Okay, factors are 3x and x. Negative 2 Very obvious, negative 2 and positive 1. If we check positive x as middle term, that would be, okay, inner, negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Outer, 3x times 1 is 3x. So, if we're going to add 3x and negative 2x, that is positive x. So, we get the correct middle term. And then, you simplify. Cancel out the common binomial factors. 3x minus 2. So, that means to say, the final answer would be 2x plus 5 over x plus 1. Okay, to sum up, class, in adding similar rational algebraic expressions, since they are already similar, they have the same denominator, so just add directly the numerator, then over, copy the denominator, and then you simplify. Okay, that's it. Okay, for more videos to come, just subscribe the YouTube channel and keep watching for more learning. God bless.